Hi friends, if you have taken up the physics as a subject, then you should be well prepared to dive deep in the vast ocean of force and energy. Yes, you have to deal with these two disciplines in your all academic and professional projects all the time. Today we are going to learn how to derive first equation of motion, that is Vf is equal to Vi plus At, and this Vf is the final velocity of a moving body, and this Vi is the initial velocity of a moving body, where you can see A is the acceleration that is created due to change in velocity. If there is a change in velocity, then of course acceleration is created in a moving body, and T is the time taken by a moving body from moving point A to B. So we are going to learn how to derive this first equation of motion. This Vf is equal to Vi plus At is called first equation of motion, and these four elements and four features, four phenomena, four characteristics of the body, of a moving body, Vf is equal to Vi plus At are involved in this equation, and we will learn how to drive this equation, and then through this equation, through this formula, we will be able to solve different numerical problems in physics about a moving body. One thing we have to remember, that a acceleration that is usually used for the body that are moving horizontally from A to B, like on the road, not vertically, not towards the center of the earth, or not away from the center of the earth. If a body is moving horizontally on the road, then acceleration produced is called A. But if a body is moving towards the center of the earth or away from the center of the earth, then instead of A we will use G. G is a gravitational acceleration that is used when a body is falling towards the center of the earth. And similarly, if a body is moving away from the center of the earth or moving upward, then instead of A we will use minus G. But right now we are working to drive this equation Vf is equal to Vi plus At, where A is acceleration that is used for anybody moving horizontally or moving on the road. So let's consider anybody that is moving and from point A to B. If at point A a body is stationary, body is at rest, it means body initial velocity of the body is 0. If at point A a body is still moving and has certain speed, so obviously Vi will have certain value. So V initial velocity of the body at point A, for example, is Vi, and if we consider if we see the velocity of the body at point B, so that can be considered as Vf. So Vi is the initial velocity of the body we observed at point A, and Vf is the final body at the last velocity we observed in that moving body, that is denoted by Vf. Right, these two velocities, initial and final velocity of a moving body, we observed at point A and B. And if since there's a change in the velocity from Vi to Vf, so change will be represented as Vf minus Vi. And if according to the definition of an acceleration in the physics, if there's a change in velocity per unit time, or in other words, the rate of change of velocity, and that is mathematically that is represented, expressed as Vf minus Vi upon T. So Vf minus Vi upon T is a change of velocity per unit time. So change of velocity is acceleration. So here acceleration of a body that was created due to change in velocity, and the change in velocity per unit time, so A is equal to Vf minus Vi upon T. If T from the right side is shifted towards left, so we get At is equal to Vf minus Vi, and upon rearranging the we get finally we get Vf is equal to Vi plus At. Yes, this equation is called first equation of motion, in which you will see the final velocity of the body, initial velocity of the body, acceleration produced in the body due to change in velocity, and the time taken by the moving body in moving from point A to B. This equation is used for solving many numericals in physics when you are given a certain situation of a moving body. So in next video we will understand how to solve the numericals, how to solve any problem, any situation given related to a moving body. Thank you. Bye.